Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to backup file from your computer onto Google Drive accounts. To backup file from your Google Drive accounts, you need to open any browser. Then in the search field, or browse address, you type drive.google.com/drive. Then you log in with your email and password to access your Google Drive on your Windows machine. So this is my Google Drive portal. The next thing you should do, you should install Google Drive on your desktop by clicking on setting, then click on Google Drive for desktop. Then after that, you click on download Drive for the desktop. Download Google Drive onto your desktop. After downloading, you need to install. I've already installed Google Drive for desktop on my PC. So on my right hand side, you click on Taskbar. Then you will find Google Drive icon. Then you click on it to log in with your Google email and password to connect your computer to your Google Drive accounts. I agree. So after connecting, it will be successful. Then you open Google Drive for the desktop on the taskbar. There's my Google Drive. Here you will find activity if any file is backing up or any notification. Then you click on settings. Then you click on preference to attach a folder or backup folder from your computer to Google Drive accounts. So to attach a folder on my Google Drive account, I create a folder on my desktop. Then I link it with my Google Drive accounts. You can access Google Drive by clicking on this PC. You find Google Drive showing on your this PC tab. Here you'll find all the files that you have created in Google Drive by clicking on My Drive to find all the drive or the file or folder that have been created in your Google Drive accounts. So to link my PC to my Google Drive accounts, I create a folder on my desktop PC. By creating the folder, Then I click on add the folder to my Google Drive, so that any file that I will upload onto the folder will automatically upload the file to Google Drive accounts. I'm creating the folder, give the folder a name, backup. Then I select this is the folder that I've created on my desktop. Then I click select the folder. This will automatically link folder to my Google Drive, so that any file or folder that I will drop onto the folder that have been created on my Google Drive account will automatically update my Google Drive accounts. Yeah, you can synchronize your Google Drive whenever you then I click save to save the settings. So in my Google Drive account, I click on computer, I'll find the file that I have linked with my Google Drive account. So anytime I drop a file or folder in the folder that I have created on the desktop, it will automatically update my Google Drive accounts, serve as a backup. Now, this is the file that I've been back up from my PC to my Google Drive accounts. So you can make any changes. This will affect the file. I've again drop a file in my folder that I've created to automatically update my Google Drive accounts. The file showing. You find the activity. So here you can connect your Google Drive for it, update or synchronize your drive anytime you drop a file into Google Drive storage device, then it will automatically synchronize your drive. The file will be updated. This is the file that will be updated. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive